Hello children, how are you all? I am Jennifer ma'am. Guess what? I have a surprise for you. The surprise is Pogo. Pogo the teddy. Say hello to Pogo. See, Pogo is also saying hello to all of you. Today, we are going to learn the pre-number behind and in front. Pogo is going to help us understand the pre-number behind and in front. Now, see what I'm going to do. Where is Pogo? Can you see him? No, you cannot see him because I am in front and Pogo is behind. Now, can you see Pogo? Can you see him? Here is Pogo. Can you see my face? No, you cannot see my face. Why? Because Pogo is in front of me and I am behind Pogo. So children, please repeat after me. Behind, in front. Behind, in front. Oh, look what we have. There is a house and a bike. Wow, this lovely yellow bike is parked in front of the house. The bike is in front and the house is behind. In front, behind. In front, behind. What do we have here? This naughty monkey is looking at the mango. The mango is in front, the monkey is behind. In front, behind. In front, behind. When we refer to the positioning of two or more objects, we generally say behind and in front. Now, having learnt the pre-number behind and in front, we will move on to some pictures to help you understand the concept better.
Children, now I will show you some pictures which will help you understand the pre-number behind and in front better. In this picture, you can see a boy and a girl. The girl is in front of the tree and that's why you can see her fully and clearly. The boy cannot be seen fully as he is behind the tree. So the girl is in front and the boy is behind. Here is Mama Monkey and Baby Monkey. Baby Monkey is holding Mama from behind and Mama Monkey is standing in front. So the Mama Monkey is in front and the Baby Monkey is behind. Here you can see two baby rats. One is saying hi to you from the front and the other is saying hi to you from behind the block. So one rat is in front and the other rat is behind. Children, what do you see in this picture? We can see a flower, sheep and a tree. Where is the sheep? In front or behind? The sheep cannot be seen fully, which means the sheep is behind and the tree is in front.
Now that you know the pre-number behind and in front, I have a worksheet for you.
In this worksheet, there is a cat along with each object. You have to look at the object and put a tick mark in the box near the object only if the cat is behind the object. In the first picture, a part of the cat is hidden because of the ball, and so it is behind. So you will put a tick mark in the box near the ball. Similarly, look at the rest of the objects and see where the cat is. If you find the cat is behind the object, then don't forget to put a tick mark in the box.
That's all for today, children. We will meet tomorrow. So say bye to Pogo.